Hello students, I am Anubhav Mathur, working as assistant professor at the Indian Institute of Mass Communication. I welcome you to the module on augmented reality. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand the concept of augmented reality, understand the characteristics of augmented reality, know about the devices used in augmented reality, and learn about the various uses and applications of augmented reality. Now let's begin. Augmented reality is understood as a process of adding visual display by overlaying useful digitally created content like text, tools, images, etc. on the physical environment with the help of a software. Windows 10 operating system offers Windows Mixed Reality platform through which users can enjoy mixed reality experiences. It can also be termed as a medium in which the digital information is added onto the real physical world in the registration with the word. Augmented reality is digitally created real-time information superimposed on real world. Now this information, which is generated from data with the help of a processor, can be in text, audio, video, animation, any form. In virtual reality, the artificial world is created in the mind of the user and is experienced by wearing a specially designed headset. Virtual reality environments immerses the user in a totally different environment which is away from the real world. Craig defines it as a medium in which the digital information is overlaid on the physical world, that is in both spatial and temporal registration with the physical world, and that is interactive in real time. In augmented reality, different types of information like videos, photographs, links and games come together to form a new virtual layer which can be seen through a wearable device. Among the most popular example of AR is the mobile game Pokemon Go, where the outside world is seen with the help of a user's phone camera. It then adds virtually created figures on the top of the world, locations, and asks the players to catch these virtual figures. Augmented reality is enhancement, not creation of a new environment. AR is a type of mixed reality and is on a linear continuum that constitutes of virtual reality, augmented reality, telepresence, among other technologies. This was given by Milgram and Colquhoun in 1999. The experiential of the user in these technologies changes as we move from left to right in terms of the degree of reality and virtuality. In augmented reality, the digital information can be added to the physical world in different ways. Humans can easily see and recognize the three-dimensional information. They can easily see any object from different perspectives and understand its dimensions. The problem lies in conveying information in three-dimensional form to audiences who generally use a two-dimensional screen like television to see visual content. The three-dimensional image has to be configured in a manner so that it is easily displayed on a two-dimensional screen and there is no loss of information for the user. This information created in a three-dimensional word form has to be properly edited and encoded in order to be seen on a two-dimensional medium, which is simple enough for the user to comprehend easily. This conversion of three-dimensional information to two-dimensional is a time-taking process, and humans take time to fully understand it. To tackle this problem, augmented reality systems have been designed to register and superimpose three-dimensional information correctly with the underlying layer of the physical environment. This technology is used to create augmented reality systems which are used in manufacturing and industrial applications like assembly and repair of car engines, aircrafts, and medical equipments. Now, augmented reality means different things to different people. It may refer to a product with a barcode on it, to a GPS positioning system, to mobile phone applications or games that superimpose text on a physical scene. Craig says that AR is also used to hide unnecessary information from the view. Augmentation does not always mean that something is to be added. Idea is to simplify things so that user is able to clearly understand the environment and its features in a better way. However, according to Craig, key aspects of augmented reality are: the first one, the real world is enhanced by adding digital information on it. This digital information is shown in registration with the objects and environment of the physical world. Third point, the digital information displayed depends on the location of the objects in the real world and the perspective of the person looking at that digital information. This ensures registration with least problems. The last point, the person can interact with the digital information, make changes, and this makes the entire experience very interactive. Let's continue. Let's look at the history of augmented reality. Augmented reality was invented in 1968 by Ivan Sutherland. The technology was designed for Air Force to enhance a pilot's helmet so that the pilot could be given more controls. NASA has also used AR for visual and navigational guidance. Military and industrial need for varied applications led to development and further refinement of augmented reality. Augmented reality applications are generally used in military, industrial, and scientific and medical fields. Some of the key developments which took place in the history of augmented reality are: Philco Corporation in USA designed the first helmet in the late 1950s. The teleprompter, which is used in television news studios, came in 1950s. Again, chroma key visual sets used in TV programs and fiction came in 1970s. The scrimmage line in a football match is also created with the help of an augmented reality system. It was first used in 1998. Micro-Optical was the first company to develop augmented reality glasses in 1997. Matthias Mauring, Christian Lezig, and Oliver Bimber developed the first augmented reality system for mobile phone in 2004.